This video explains how to get started with Hugeicons Pro in a Svelte project. We'll walk you through the entire setup process. Before we begin, let's quickly check the prerequisites. You'll need an existing Svelte project and an active Hugeicons account with Pro subscription. I already have a Svelte app set up with Vite. Now, before installing Pro icons, we need to activate the license. First, create an npm-rc file in the root of your project. Now, add the Hugeicons Pro registry code in the .npm-rc file. Just copy and paste the code from the docs. Now go to your Hugeicons account, then go to the License tab, copy the license key, and replace this text with the copied key. This step allows access to Hugeicons Pro packages. Now let's install the required packages. First, install the Hugeicons Svelte package using this command if it's not installed already. npm install Hugeicons/Svelte. Next, install a Hugeicons Pro icon package. Before we install the Pro package, let's see where you can find all available Pro packages. Just go to Hugeicons docs. Simply visit the Pro packages page to see the full list of Pro styles available for installation. And we can see that all Pro icon packages names start with Hugeicons Pro/. So now, for example, we will install the bulk rounded Pro style package using this command. npm install Hugeicons Pro/core bulk rounded. Once the packages are installed, you're ready to use an icon. First, we need to import the Hugeicons icon wrapper from Hugeicons/Svelte. Next, we need to pass an icon to the icon prop of the Hugeicons icon component. For example, we will import a home icon. The icon will come from the Hugeicons Pro/core bulk rounded package. And now you can see the home icon is rendered on the screen. The Hugeicons icon component also allows you to control the icon's size, color, stroke width, and supports any SVG props. You can customize the size, color, and stroke width by providing these props. And that's it. You're now ready to use Hugeicons Pro in your Svelte application. When you're ready to explore more, check out additional Pro styles, view more Svelte examples, and discover other Hugeicons integrations.